word for word and borrowing techniques. Let's begin with the first technique, which is word for word translation. This method preserves the source language word order, and words are translated out of context based on their most common meaning. And the target text blindly follows the same structure and word meaning and order of the source text. Consider these examples and the Arabic translation. This table is old. Notice the translation. هذه الطاولة تكون قديمة. Stop beating around the bush. أوقفوا الضرب حول الشجيرة. This method is rarely used in English and Arabic translation, given the noticeable differences in grammatical structure, in the word order, in the special use of certain words, and the words' context-based meanings between the two languages. And therefore, this translation technique is not recommended in Arabic and English translation. Okay? So instead of saying هذه الطاولة تكون قديمة, the correct translation and the appropriate one is هذه الطاولة قديمة. Instead of saying أوقفوا الضرب حول الشجيرة, the proper translation is كف عن اللف والدوران. The second translation technique is borrowing أو الاقتراض. The translator in this technique uses the same word or phrase in the target language as it is used in the source language, especially when a certain word does not exist in the target language. And therefore, borrowing involves no translation at all. Borrowing is generally used to fill a lexical gap in the target language or to create a certain effect in the translation. Consider these examples of borrowing technique. Pizza, pizza. Cappuccino, cappuccino. Hamburger, hamburger. Instagram, Instagram. Video and video. Also, there is borrowing from Arabic into English. Halal, halal. Falafel, falafel. Jihad, jihad. Hijab, hijab. Intifada, intifada. Zakah, zakat.